Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about a quick fix on the Sony WH-1000XM5 not connecting to Bluetooth. So step number 1, bring the headset and the Bluetooth device within a meter or 3 feet from each other. When pairing a device for the first time after purchase or after initializing or repairing the headset, turn on the headset and the headset automatically enters pairing mode. To pair a second and subsequent device, press and hold the power button on the headset for about 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. When pairing a device, once again, after initializing or repairing the headset, you may be unable to pair the device if it retains pairing information from the headset on the iPhone or some other device. In this case, delete the pairing information for the headset from the device and pair them again. Restart the connected device, such as a smartphone or a computer you use, and pair the headset and the device again. Reset the headset and initiate the headset and pair the headset and the device again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.